Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. The new year is coming, so you know what we have to do. You know, I don't even have to tell you. By the title of this video, you already know what the hell is up. This beautiful mess behind me. You think this is all? Watch until later when I show you guys the bottom, which is going through some changes as well. But I think it's very important in the new year to like get rid of all that dead weight. A lot of these clothes here I don't even use. I'm actually planning on buying more stuff, which I know is bad, but I'm going to be selling these and giving them away. These I do send my clothes to the Dominican Republic, so it's actually like good for me to go through all of these. So the clothes behind me right now are, I don't even know, some of them I wear, some of them I need, and some of them I just want to toss away. This is only like probably not even half of my clothes, probably not even a quarter of my clothes, is the fact that all my clothes are like a little bit below me, all rolled up in a mess. But we're going to get into that later on in the video. So how I'm going to do this is I'm going to go through each piece and I'm going to show you guys whether I want to keep it or sell it on Depop or give it away. And if I am selling it on Depop, feel free to hit me up on Instagram or on my Depop, which is going to be right here, and my Instagram is going to be right here. If you don't want to go through Depop, maybe we could figure something else out through DM, which it may be easier for you or me, who knows. Let's get into it because there's a lot of things that I need out. All of these clothes right here in this kind of like section I kind of have to keep because those are like my work office clothes and stuff, but I'm putting it aside so that we can get into the real deal. Now that that's over with, I have a couple of pieces I'm already looking at that I'm just like, I always tell myself I'm gonna create an outfit with this, and then I end up not creating an outfit with it. And then I try to think now like, oh, what could I wear with it now that I have like more of the expanded wardrobe? And no, I have nothing to wear with. So guess where they're going? They're going on Depop. And I love these pieces when I picked them up. They are out. They're out of my closet because I am not gonna about to keep them just to have them here. Like what? So let's go through them. We have this shirt. A lot of you have seen this on me, and I'm gonna keep it. Because I like it. This shirt, I feel like I wore it a lot, so I feel like I'm just gonna like give it away. And then this shirt, I haven't worn it. Like I really haven't worn it. I think I took off the tag, but I never like wore it, probably for like a haul. So, and I don't see myself wearing it, so I'm gonna like toss it. Next we have this shirt. I wore it once on vacation. It's dirty. I tried taking it off because my washing machine sometimes does that, so sadly I'm going to have to toss it in the trash. I feel so bad because I really like that shirt. It just never fit me very well. And then this shirt, same with this shirt, my washing machine really messed it up, and I just cannot take it off. I want to so bad, so that's going in the trash. I feel so bad because I really like those shirts that I'm throwing in the trash, but I got to. I really have to. We have this shirt. I really love this shirt. Let me know. Let me just put it away. Let me not even do anything to it. Like, baby, just rest there. This section is already getting messy because I'm just throwing stuff in there now. And then this hot hair brown. You guys know I love my brown, so I'm gonna keep it. I still think this is so cute, even with this little fluffy stuff. Y'all, this is from Shein. Y'all know I love me some Shein. If you didn't watch my Shein try on haul where I did get like these pieces and a few like stuff from here, you guys are gonna see it if you go watch my Shein video. You better, it's gonna be right there. I'm gonna keep this. This is actually my graduation thing, and I don't want it in my room. I feel like I'm not that type of person. I don't want to keep stuff from like school, you know, like I never want to keep the drawing I made or like my graduation stuff. Like I don't want to keep it. I'm keeping it right here. I'm keeping it in my heart. Why am I gonna keep it materialistically? I'd much rather donate that to someone who would much rather use it. That chapter has closed in my life. We have this zipper thing. We're gonna keep it. And these are all like winter stuff. I just love me some winter stuff. I'm gonna keep all my winter stuff. So we have this jacket. Keep it, baby, cause I just got it and it's cute as hell. Next we have all of my purses. It's time to let some go. This is getting real heavy, and I barely wear some of these. I'm just gonna hang them and then we're gonna go through them. Okay, so this one is one that I'm most definitely giving like away or like selling, because I'm not really into like bright colors right now, and I haven't really used this bag. I actually had a white one and I don't know where it is. Yeah, but I like it, but it's just I'm not gonna use it. Next we have this one. I mean, like I don't see myself using it once again. It has like floral stuff on it. It's from my Shane haul. If you haven't watched it, it's like an old one from the summer. I have some cute pieces that I'm giving away on there. I haven't used it. Like everything is tagged. All the things that it came with is in here. Like, and this one I don't want either. It kind of has like a stain, but I didn't make the stain. Like I bought it like that, like because you could even see like all of the stuff is inside. I haven't used it. So we have this class section. It's so cute. My closet is looking a little cute now. For those of you who like see this rag is from Home Goods, and I think everybody knows what Home Goods is, but I put like my bras like on the top. You can't really see it, but here I put like my sports bras, and then here I put like my regular bras, and here I put my undies, and here I put my socks. So it's like a cute like organizer. You can't even see it, but there's like, it's like two. I bought two storage things and they each have two, so it's like 4 little compartments, and I like to keep it like that. And I don't really have a drawer. I don't have a dresser here, so I kind of like doing this. I'm gonna get a curtain to like cover this area, but we're good. Then I'm gonna show you guys the little disaster I have down there. So don't judge y'all, because if I go into your closet and I see the literally exact same thing, we're gonna have a problem over here, and it is kind of ugly. So you guys saw the mess that I have, so I'm just gonna be lifting up clothes and trying to see if I like them or not. So let's go. These jeans were thrifted. They fit me well, so I'm gonna keep them. I'm actually gonna give away these cargos. These are my black plain cargo. When I got them, they were like not fitted as much as I wanted them to be. Like they were kind of like on the tighter side. So if you know me in person, you guys know what I look like, and you think that these would fit you, go ahead, come get these. Yeah, I'm just gonna give those away. Hopefully someone gets them, because you know everybody's looking for cargo pants. Those are a really good pair of cargo pants. My leather pants, these are like kind of leather-ish jean type. I'm gonna give them away because I don't see myself wearing them. I wear them like once, but I don't think I'm gonna wear them again. I just want to make a comment about these. These are some gray leggings. I'm literally gonna give these away to the art because I feel like they could literally use it. But me right now, bro, if you have something in the back of you right here, don't get these. These are from Forever 21 leggings. Why would I wear them? I was lifting them up like every second. Like I could take a walk and a butt cheek was out. Like never ever again, if it's Forever 21 getting some coin from me when it comes down to pants. I don't know, y'all. Like, I want to keep it. I'm gonna keep it because it's so cute. I find it so cute. So all of y'all wishing I was gonna put it on Depop, I'm sorry, girl. Like, I'm gonna keep that. This is cute. I wore it already and I posted about it and it was kind of tight on me. It says Malibu. I find this so cute. I really want someone to just take this off my hands and wear it in their own way. I really like it, but it's just, it's a little tight on me. So I'm just gonna give that away. I'm gonna sell it. So we're actually done with this. Wow, that actually went really fast. It's actually very surprising that a lot, like, there's like a pile of clothes that are like memories, and I gotta go through them. I gotta like toss them because I'm not gonna wear it. So, and then I have other clothes I'm gonna keep, and I know that most of them are pants, so it's kind of like, wow, it's a kind of like small pile, but it's okay. It's okay because new beginnings 2021. And now we're gonna go into shoes. So I'm gonna show you guys. These I'm gonna keep. They're dirty and stuff. I'm not gonna give them away. Those are like kind of like work shoes or whatever, just like chill shoes. I gotta get a new pair anyway. Sandals, I'm tossing them. I'm sorry, I'm just not gonna. Here I have my Converse, my babies. So I'm gonna keep these for sure. My heels, let me show you guys. Shane heels. These I don't see myself wearing them, but they are so cute. I'm gonna sell them though because I don't see myself wearing them. I bought them in the summer. I was like, I'm gonna get this, I'm gonna get this, I'm gonna like boost my wardrobe, I'm gonna get everything, and no, I don't want it no more, so I'm gonna sell it. And then we have like the same kind of like quilt material from Shane, and I love these, so I'm gonna keep them. Next we have my turbos. I have new shoes that I haven't put in my closet yet. They're gonna be added to my closet later on. I have these. These are so cute. My boyfriend got them for me, but a size, like a half size less. They do feel like a little tight, but they're so cute, and I feel like I'm just gonna break them in because even if my toes hurt, I might as well break my toes instead of like throw these out because they're so cute. A sandal with no match, toss. Shoes that I used to beat the hell out of that are dirty as hell that I feel disgusted to even hold them in my hand, thrown out, because even if you were able to wash them, no one will be able to wear them. I have these. I'm gonna keep them because it's just a clear heel. It doesn't really look like, you know, transparency, like you know, with the color, the transparent, the color. I'm just gonna keep these. It's just a clear heel. You always need that. I don't really go out like that. If you want to invite me out, baby, invite me out, but I don't really go out. So these are so cute. I might as well keep them because they're mad like cute. And then plain black heels. I feel like all my shoes are gonna look dusty on camera because they are dusty. Like, I should have worn a mask, like, because I rarely wear any of these shoes, so they're just like in the back of my closet. Next we have these are my Sweet 16 heels. I feel like my mother would kill me if I throw them off, so I'm just gonna keep them. Next we have these sandals. I'm gonna give them away because I don't think I'm gonna use them. So next we have these flats. I don't really like flats. I don't want to wear, I don't want to wear flats. I'll keep them just in case. Oh my gosh, I forgot I had these. Oh crap, I literally forgot I had these. They're Miss Brianna Fenty Puma girl. Oh my gosh, I wonder if they still fit me. Next we have these shoes. They're beat the hell up. I'm gonna throw those out. Those are literally beat. We have these. I'm gonna give them away. They're not that bad. Those are dirty. That's why I throw those out. But these are not that bad. So we have these. I'm gonna give them away. I'll deal with it in the summertime. Okay, they look really dusty right now. I'm so sorry, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna give these away. I used to love those shoes. I'm not gonna wear no more. I'm gonna keep these. These are Space Jams. I don't really wear them. I think I'm gonna just clean them up and like start wearing them again, but I don't really wear them, but I like them. still, and I really love my brother for getting me them, so I'm gonna keep it. Now I'm really gonna show the other pair. These, they're dirty, but I'm gonna give them away. And then I have my Uggs, keep them winter time. Though I have these Adidas. I'm gonna keep them even though they're like dirty, but I'm gonna keep them because they're like memory foam, like work shoes or whatever. I have my dirty Bezos because yeah. Now you guys can't really see, but I have some stuff up there on top of me, so let's get onto it. Let's start with this one that fell on me. We're gonna keep it. It's from my school, my old school. So then my 100 Thieves, I told you I don't play with my 100 Thieves merch. Yes, I love 100 Thieves. And we have my expensive stuff. If you're from New Jersey, maybe New York, Pennsylvania, maybe like the tri-state, you guys know what this is. Expensive. I'm definitely keeping my expensive apparel. Like, what the hell? And I got another one. Baby, I'm not playing. I'm keeping it. We have a blanket. I'm not gonna keep this. I'm gonna toss it. This is the heart box that I have all my memories with my boyfriend with. Oh, so cute. This is my old school. I'm about to keep it. I don't know. Everybody needed a neck pillow, y'all. But and last but not least, this big baby blue fur coat that someone got me last year. I'm gonna bring it out for winter. I'm gonna wear it. I really like it. It's like teddy fabric. So I really went through my closet. Like, I gotta show you guys the mess that's on my floor right now. Like, things are thrown everywhere. I did not come to play. There's still some stuff that are going in the wash. I'm just going to like go through separately. This was packed. This was packed with stuff. I still have to add my work clothes. I don't like adding my work clothes here because they're not like the clothes I want to wear. So y'all, that's the end of today's video. I am going to insert clips right now. I'm obviously going to 2021 with a cleaner room, a cleaner closet, a cleaner everything. But y'all, without further ado, we're done here.